Hello, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I have the last unboxing of the D-Stash group coming up. Yes, guys, this is the last one for this round. Next week will be a new batch. Yeah, you all know I had two tables at the local ham fest this past weekend. So I did not sell everything. So there will be another video coming up of some of the pieces I was showing there. And as usual, send me an email, make me an offer plus shipping, and it's yours. All right, what do we have today? Well, if you've watched all the videos, if you watched the first one and then watched all the unboxing, you know which one I'm showing now. This is the last one of the Diamond Art Club ones at the moment. I may have more a couple months down the line. I may look at my stash again and go, what'd you buy that for? You're not going to do that one. So who knows? All right. I have a feeling one or two of you out there are waiting for this one. It is Minnie Mouse. It is Minnie Bouquet. Look at her. She's so cute. So this one has 13 colors, one AB, and 4 fairy dust drills for a total of 18,600 drills. Not bad, guys, not bad. And yes, this is one that I got at Walmart. So this warranty card, may or may not be good. I don't know. They still don't have it where you can warranty Walmart. So it will be included. Okay, here is the famous envelope, and there is nothing in it. Okay, I thought there was supposed to be a card in here or something, but there's not. Here is 13 colors. And then I use these extra stickers for when I kit up other projects, because these labels come off really easily off of your containers. So I do like these labels. This has 1 AB, 1, 2, 3, 4 fairy dust, just like the box said. Here is your toolkit. This is an upgraded toolkit. This has the clear wax, but if you want the white wax, I believe I do have pens with white wax. But guys, you have to let me know this information in the email, because I'm not going to rewatch every video to see what I said. So here's clear wax. Here's heart wax and a multi-placer. You got your bag of baggies. You got extra wax. So I'm going to put these all away. These trays are nice. So you'll get all of that in your toolkit. You're ready to go. You're good to go. That's all you need. And if you've never diamond painted before, this is your friend. This will tell you exactly what to do and in the order you need to do it. So you want to save this. And this is your stickers that will tell you where you're going to place your diamonds on the canvas. You're going to look for symbols 1 and use this one to put on number 1, etc. So that's going to go in here. I will not make a copy of this because This is pretty secure, and I really like that they started doing this. So, okay, nothing else. Hello? Nope, nothing else in the box. All right. Let's see. This is the right way. Oh, here's the card. It is a bronze. So if you want this, it's a bronze. Nothing special about a bronze. But I think the card is adorable. I would like to keep it. But if you want it, let me know and I will keep it in the back box for you. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it in here. So again, you have to let me know in the email if you want it or not. If you do not tell me, I'm going to keep the card then. Okay. She is a 13 by 17. And Diamond Art Club's canvases do lay flat once you roll them backwards, and voila. So this is a 13 by 17. This has the gray perforated lines, and the gray did not come off on the canvas, so we are good to go. And this is perforated, like I said. Shh, listen. They rip. So you can just take this little section off, work on this, and not worry about it. Then your other glue won't be exposed, and you don't have to worry about your hand getting in it. So, yeah, I like the perforated edges. I think they're helpful. But look at her. She is so pretty. Here are the drills. Here's a fairy dust. Fairy dust right there. This one is going to go in her bow. In her bow, and in this flower, and in this flower. Her bow is all that fairy dust. Okay. There's your 5200. Oh, it is a round, guys. Here's another fairy dust, the orange 970, and it will go in this flower here and this one here. Here's another fairy dust, 73816. That is the L, and they will be all the stems, the leaves of the flowers. Here's a pretty yellow. This is the triangle, and it's going to go right here. It's going to be another flower. And then here's your AB 52. I bet you that's his eyes. AB 52 is in. It's going to be, nope, it'll be in her bow. In her bow. So this bow is just going to pop, guys. It's going to pop. So, and the regular 5200 is going to go in the hands and the eyes, which I like that idea. I like that idea. Pretty colors. $33.71, I think, is going to be her hair. Yeah, it's going to be her ears. Yep. It's going to be here. I think this is going to be beautiful. Well, I somehow folded this wrong. See, I have extra bags. Let's see. Okay, that way. And then that way. Maybe that'll do it. No, I'm just going to do it this way. And let me show you how big it is. Not too bad, not too bad. This is beautiful. I love this canvas. I think I need to go get one because I don't think I have this one. So yeah. I think this canvas has got enough bling. I don't think you need to add anything else. Let me know what you think. pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com, and put it in the comments if you're interested in it. Email me with your offer and let me know. All right, that's all you have to do. Okay, let me know if you think this canvas has enough bling. Yeah, because I think it does. All right, everybody, be kind to everyone.